Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix video export stack in Canva 2026. But why this happens? The typical causes of the issue are the internet instability at first. Even short drops can freeze the exports. Also, the large videos or complex designs, the outdated app or browser, the cache or corrupted temporary files, and too many other reasons. So to fix the issue, you'll need us first to check the internet stability, and to do that just go with the internet speed test by Okla, or just go with the fast.com that's powered by Netflix. Okay, so if you have low megabytes per second, you will need to go with your Wi-Fi right here, and then just go and disconnect it and reconnect it after a few seconds. Okay, also advise you to move closer to the router if you are using a Wi-Fi, of course, and restart it as well. So after that, you will need to go to your designer on Canva and then just press Ctrl and R on your keyboard, and that's refresh and reload the page, or you can just go with that curved flash right here on the top left. If that doesn't work, you will need to go and click on these three dots on the top right of the browser, and then just go with the settings, the second last option. And right now, just go scroll with your mouse on the left hand menu and click on extensions, just like so. So here we are inside the extensions section. So here all you need to do is to disable the extensions that you have on your browser, especially the ad blockers, the VPN extensions, the download managers, etc. Then retry exports again. Also, I'd really advise you to try another browser like Firefox, Edge, and Safari for Mac if Chrome freezes. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.